How to set sound amplifier to phone mic, headphone mic, or phone media on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge, or Ultra. Now by default, sound amplifier is not installed on your device. You need to go to Play Store and search for sound amplifier. Here you can install Google Sound Amplifier. After it has installed, you can tap on open button or you can open it from the app list. Once it has opened, it will be set to off by default. So you can choose phone mic, headphone mic, or phone media to boost the sound. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now, in order for you to use sound amplifier, you also need to connect to a headphone or an earbuds. So make sure it is connected. Then you can open sound amplifier to set one of the settings here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.